Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how we do the rounded corners on the rails. It's going to be marked out like this. We're just going to mark the radius on each corner. It is going to be important to examine the plan and work out which of the four corners have the rounded corners, because they need to match as a pair, and it'd be a shame if you've got one right and one wrong, and yeah, it wouldn't work. Before you do this, you need to have disc sanded to length, and you'll have to come and get this washer from me. Once you've determined which corners this goes at, you set the washer so it's lined up with the edge of the timber as well as the end. Get your sharp pencil and simply trace. So we end up with the radius. We're going to walk over to the disc sander and show you what to do here. So before you use the disc sander, hopefully you should have already done this, but you should have completed the on-guard safety. Make sure the dust extractor's on, the gate is open, which I'll open now. And we simply rotate our timber backwards and forwards until we touch our line. Take your time, there's no rush. You don't want to go too far. And that's the end result. Pretty straightforward. You'll need to do that on two corners. Make sure you check the plan so you know which corners to do.